Hello my dear sweetheart subscribers, welcome to my channel GL Love Manwa. Just Friend. Chapter 2. Fall. Slide Slam. So you wanted to drink for this? Huh, but I'm not at all drunk. I only want to make you feel good. Again, with this face. Do what you want. Turn. Seriously, why do you ask? Either way, you'll end up doing whatever you want. But we better go home first. Hung Tremble. Pinch hag. You like it when I pinch you like this, huh? They got hard. How could I ever like this? I don't believe you. I like you, Song Hyun. Lick Tremble. I don't know why I keep remembering the past at moments like this. It makes no sense. Your breasts are very lovely, they're shaped like water droplets. Caress, and your nipples are of a beautiful red color. Don't say such things. Why not? They're compliments. Doesn't matter. Don't say them. Did it embarrass you when I licked you? So cute. Grab. I'd like it if you didn't cover your face. You look so sexy. Ugh, I told her not to say those things. Also, she doesn't know how she looks right now. I'll make you feel even better. Tremble bite. Did you really like that? Or are you only with me for pity? Tighten. I wish to know, but at the same time not. Slide. Throw. Because whatever the answer may be, it'd be a problem. Tremble. Hyun, I also. Every time I look at it, I'm surprised by its size. Hung. Quiver. I feel like I'm about to come, but you've barely touched me. What should I do? Kiss. Don't say such dumb things. There aren't many days like this left. When I leave you, everything will be in the past. Hunk. Fall. Cafe Villa. Where's my medicine? Scramble, scramble. Did I leave it at home? Scramble. I know that I couldn't have taken it out of my bag. Because this morning I took the medicine from the bottle that I leave at home. Then, fall, did it fall at that moment? Slide. At least I only had one class today, The medicine lasts for 6 hours and I took one at 9, so that means. Where are you? At the campus cafe. Why? When I get out of class, let's go home together. Sure, I'll order a coffee while I wait. Stand. Oh, wow, Hyun, please remember me next time. My name's Shinseora. Shinseora, right. Wow, yes, that's right. Are you a puppy? You remember me now. May I sit with you? But there's many other empty spaces to sit. Happy. Sure, if you'd like. Shake. Well, she's a beta, so there won't be an issue if we sit close. I'm going to grab a coffee. What would you like? No, that's okay. I'll buy it. Let me invite you. Determined. Seriously, you're really going to move into the dorms? How did we end up talking about this? I'm still thinking about it. But I would like to move in for the second semester. Restless. Wow, that's brilliant. I'm also staying at the dorms. Really? And how are they? They're clean and really nice. The double rooms are more expensive than the ones for 4 people, but they're comfier. I'm staying in a double room. Are there any individual bedrooms? There are, but those are way expensive. The majority share double rooms with a roommate. By the way, why do you want to move to the dorms? I like the idea of being close to school. And besides, I want to become independent. Oh, yeah, that's true. It's a bother having your parents reprimanding you all the time. I don't have parents. Slip. Surprise. Hey, are you alright? Sorry. Embarrassed. You didn't know. Depressed. Even so, I said it without thinking. Her sad expression looks a lot like that of Cha Manju. But don't worry, I really don't mind. So, would you like to come and see the dormitories? Really? But won't your roommate get mad if I came in without notice? That's not a problem. My roommate went back home for a couple of days. Well, it wouldn't hurt to take a look. Cha Minju's class still hasn't ended. That's alright, I'm going to see the dorms for a little while. Okay, let's go. Yes. Who are you living with at the moment? You said earlier that you wanted to become independent. Shock. W with a friend. So, you had a fight with your friend. No, it's just that I feel somewhat uncomfortable living there. I get it, even the closest of friends get tired of being together all the time. Yes, exactly that. Tilde, there seems to be nobody here. Chatter. That's because all the classes here are at night. It gets crowdy later on. Stop. Something wrong. Do you smell something strange? Cover. Smell. Yeah, like a sweet scent. Excuse me. Alpha pheromones. Wobble, are you alright? Fall. Tremble. Shit. I took my medicine. What's going on? What happens if she finds out about me? Should I tell her that I have the chills? She's a beta, so I don't think she'll notice. Hey. Grab. Shock. Could it be? Are you an omega? Are you an omega? She found out. It's all over. Have you been lying all this time? Answer me, Song Hyon. Hey. It's alright. I'm a beta. Your pheromones have no effect on me, and I also won't tell anyone, so don't worry about it. Turn. We should head inside a classroom, don't you think? I don't know who else might come this way if we stay out here. Thank you. Oh, let me help you. Hold on to me. Okay. Conference room 2. Stair. Oh, that's right. Search. I have P-brand inhibitors. Would you like one? Reach. The normal medicine doesn't work for me. But why do you have medicine? You said you were a beta. Oh, that's because my sister's an omega. Your sister? Yeah, that's why I always tend to carry medicine just in case. Shake. I see. Are you feeling really bad? I can't anymore. Let me make a call. Stand. Director Cha Hai-kyung call. Hello, Hung. I took the medicine that you gave me, but I can still feel the pheromones. It looks like it might be a side effect. Side effect. Where are you now? I'm at school. I entered an empty classroom. I'm nearby. Wait for me outside. I need to see how you're doing before I give you any medicine. Right now. How about I tell you over the phone? Head to the Maidur. Song Hyun. How do you suppose I go out like this? Click. Wait. Director Cha Hai-kyung call cat. Why is everyone in that family all alike? They never listen to anyone. Stubborn. She told you to head outside right now. Yeah, she told me to head to the Maidur. What should I do? Would it be dangerous to go outside right now? I feel like I'm at my limit. I'll go in your place. Can you stay here for a while? Nod. Sure. Stay here and lock the door. Anyway, there shouldn't be that many people walking by since there aren't any classes right now. Open. Thank you. It's nothing. I'm a good runner, so I'll be back fast. Smile. If anything happens, call me. Oh, I'll give my phone number. Just tell her how I'm feeling and she'll understand. Tell her that it's like a heat cycle. Okay, just please hold on for a bit longer. Run. Tremble. Please. Hurry. Terry. I miss you. Hyun. I want to EMBR erase you. I want you to embrace new way. Hide. So annoying. Step. Why would she go and look around at the dormitories? Well, I arrived at building C, but. Step. I better call her. Where are those omega pheromones coming from? Turn. Step. It seems like it's coming from here. Is someone inside? Listen. Knock knock. Hello. Is anyone there? Shock Cha Manju. What is she doing here? That's alright, I'm going to see Thay. Dorms for a little while. Oh, that's right. I told her about it. I should have told her that I was headed home first. Tense. Siora should be coming back any minute now. It'd be bad if they cross paths and she misinterprets the situation. Please leave. Just leave. Silence. Did she leave already? Who? Cha Manju call. Hyun. Are you in there? Oh, is that her? Excuse me, I came instead of Hyon. Are you who she talked to over the phone? She told me that you'd give me her medicine. What are her symptoms? She never asked who I was. She has a fever and has trouble breathing. She said something about it being like a heat cycle. Search. Make her take 2 pills. It'll take some time until she calms down, so tell her to head home and stay there. Throw. Uwa. Oh, understood. Thanks. Mama, what a pitiful Omega, she should be ashamed of herself. Hey, just wait a moment. You don't talk like that in front of Hayon, right? What? And who are you to tell me what to do or not to do? That's just stepping over the line. What's wrong with her being an Omega? 2A beta, both alphas and omegas are the same thing. Are you done talking? I got carried away thinking about my sister. Well, I'll be going now. She's waiting for me. Turn. Just who? Step. Just who in the hell was that annoying brat? Pierced. An irritating, ignorant and meddling person. Grr GKP. Also, she doesn't have pheromones. She's just a beta. Iversity. Close. She's the type of person I absolutely detest. Anyway, I won't be seeing any more of her. TSK. Go to hell. What? What do I do now? Knock knock I can't hold on anymore. Hayon, I know that you are in there. Please open the door, otherwise I'll call for someone to open it. She's not joking. She's serious about this. Open. There's no avoiding it. Open. Oh, fall. Hayon, you touch her heat cycle. Charm you in. Badam. I can smell it. Badam. The smell of an Omega. The smell of Song Hayon. I want to kiss you. I want to wrap you in my arms. Wait, what? See, Moon. Look at her. Isn't this what you always wanted? What I've always wanted. Hold. What I want is, Cha Manju. Snap out of it. To have the evidence that Song Hayon is mine. I'm gonna do it. Stop. Hayon. Rapidly, are you okay? I brought you your medicine. Who's this? She's our junior. Stare. A junior. I asked her to go in my place to go and pick up my medicine. It looks like I'm in a heat cycle. Hey King. But that means, oh, don't worry about it. She's already told me that she's an Omega. I'll keep it a secret. She told her that she's an Omega. Even though she endures the inhibitor effects to hide the fact that she's an Omega. How close is she with that girl? Since when? So, how did you know that Hayon was here for you to help her? That's because Hayon wanted to become independent and wanted to see the dorms. So, I came here with her to show her my room. Shock. Become independent. What's she talking about? Well, we should let Hayon take her medicine first. Get your hands away. Grab what? I said get your hands away from Song Hayon. Let's go. Stand. What's wrong with you? She was helping me. First, let's go home. Strike. Go home. Is she the friend that lives with her? Whisper, I'll call you later. First. I should first take my medicine. What are you doing? Turn. Hayon. Oh no. It's all because of those pheromones. Kiss me. What? Didn't you hear what I said? I said kiss me. No. Pull. No. That's right. I don't want to be with you. I'm very tired because of you. But you have no problem being with that other girl. So gloomy. Why is it different with me? Stand. Wait. Just wait a moment. Step. Oof. Throw. Let's do it even though you don't want to. Tighten. Or perhaps you want every nearby alpha to come for you. Slide. Do you have any idea of how you look at this very moment? And even now, you want to be with that girl. You are totally turned on. Aren't you embarrassed being like this in front of a junior? Pierced. Slap. Are you still planning to act like this? Like what? What did I do? Read Best Friends Cha. You lied to me. You wanted to be with someone else while being in heat. So, take responsibility. Cause now I'm in heat because of you. Thank you so much for supporting me. If you like, so please comment me. Okay, thank you so much. Bye bye.